Hi guys! Right now, I'm with the RM Millionaires. So isa lang ibig sabihin yan, dito sa business namin, pwede ka maging milyonaryo just like us. In just 3 years, take note, nakakatuwa lang, in just 3 years, lahat kami right now, naging milyonaryo dito. Bakit ko yan nasabi sa inyo? Just like me. I'm a businessman by profession, may clothing line business ako. Pero ngayon, I'm doing it full time. In just 3 years, kumita na ako ng almost 62 million pesos.
Hi, I'm Alessa Menglandicho, full-time housewife, and kumita na ako ng 17 million in just 3 years dito sa business na to.
Hi, I'm Jerome Ang, a former employee, accounting by profession. Because of this business, in just 3 years, kumita na ako almost 2.5 million pesos.
Hi guys! I'm Carl Monreal, dati ako seafarer at kumita ako ng 3 million dito sa loob lang ng 2 taon, 2 buwan.
Hi guys, I'm Abigail Santos. I'm a former IT professional. In just 2 years, kumita ako dito ng 1.6 million.
Hi guys, I'm Engineer John Manalastas, former telecoms engineer. In less than 2 years, kumita na ako ng 1.6 million dito.
Hi guys, I'm Glenn Pascual. I'm a former OFW. I'm a chef in Dubai. At less than 2 years, kumita na ako ng more than 1.2 million dito sa negosyong to.
Hi guys, I'm Mark Henson Tio. Isa rin po akong negosyante. In 3 years, kumita na ako ng almost 4 million dito sa negosyong ito.
Hi guys, I'm Shay De La Vega. Dati po akong online streamer. At ako po ang pinakabagong milyonaryo dito sa Team RM. Kumita po ako ng 1 million in just 6 months.
So guys, huwag mo nang patagalin pa. Nakita mo tong video na to, hindi to aksidente. Meron tong meaning, kaya mo kami nakita right now. So huwag mo nang patagalin. Just message us, ang Team RM members only. See you!